Disconnect the power cable. Open the cover of the printer and remove the toner cartridge. The transfer roller is this foam roller. The right support of the roller has two tabs. To remove the roller, you have to press the two tabs. You can help yourself with a flat screwdriver. It's not necessary to remove the other support. Slide the roller to the right and remove it. Here you can see the support of the roller and the two tabs. Here there is a spring, do not lose it. The spring must be inserted in the tab on the back of the support. You can clean the roller with a soft cloth. It might be slightly dampened with water. It's better not to touch the roller with the fingers. Insert the roller in the left support. Push the other support until you hear a click. Check if the roller is in the correct position. Reinstall the toner cartridge and the work is done.